When we stopped our last scratch project that we were working on, we had just done a little bit of erasing to see how we could make it go through. But now what I want to do is use the same type of scratching to do letters. So I am going to turn the eye off on the layer that we had done the erasing on, and I'm going to make a new layer. Go to Layer, New Layer, and we're going to call this Scratch Text and say OK. Again, I'm going to change the Scratch Text layer to completely black. So I use my paint bucket and I click the black button and turn it in. What I want to do now is we're going to use our text key. When we've done text before, we've always used the horizontal type or the vertical type. But now we're going to use the horizontal masking tool. This is a selection tool that selects in the area like a letter. So I'm going to click over here. I'm going to click on the horizontal masking tool. I'm going to click close to the center, and I'm going to type in CHR. Well, let's see. I think I'll make my not Gouty Stout, and we'll change it to maybe Imprint Shadow. And I'm going to type Chris. You'll notice that it turned red. Don't worry about that. As soon as we hit the OK button, you're going to see how it actually selects that area. You can't make it larger and you can't move it around. So you have to have it the way you want it right then. So again, we're going to take our eraser tool like we did before. This is already selected. So when we come in here and start to scratch on the eraser tool, you can see how it's going in it. Maybe I need to move it a little bit from 1 to maybe a 5. Let's see where that goes. That's too big. So let me try a 3 and see what that does. And you can see how it starts to scratch this as you go. And you can have the different colors back behind. And it's only getting, see how it's only getting where I have done the material. You can do this with all kinds of colors. Say I want it to be, so I can Control D and it takes that away, and you can see it has this really cool effect. What if I wanted to change this layer down here and change my gradient that I've done before, and maybe I'll make the gradient more brighter colors. Do this, and you can see how it changed it up. Do that, because it's all coming from behind. So take a little bit of time, change your different words around, get them where you want them, and work on this for a moment.